Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be my second part of my room makeover. Actually, this is the day after of me cleaning out my room, and I'm just hanging my clothes with the wooden hanger that just arrived that day. This clothing rack is only 400 pesos. I actually had a hard time searching for a white clothing rack on Shopee, so I opted on Lazada instead. I love the ceramic vase from Shopee, and yeah, this dried pampas is also from Shopee. It's only 350 pesos for 10 stems, but I think I'm gonna buy more because I think it's not enough for the vase that I bought. Just a little backstory, I've been looking for a drawer like this on Lazada and Shopee for 2 weeks already. But thank goodness that I've stumbled upon this one. Actually, I was very hesitant to get this because the recent review on Shopee was very bad. Like, they have lots of dents on the product itself. But thankfully, there wasn't any on mine. Oh, actually there is, but it's very minimal. Like, it's just the door handle. But I'm very satisfied with it, and it doesn't take too much space on my room. So yeah, I'm just really glad that I bought this. Actually, this is a failed purchase of mine. I expected it to be much bigger than this size, but yeah, I gotta work around with it, and it kind of looks good as well. So yeah. This trolley cart is so helpful for me because I don't know, it just stores all of my abubot in one place. I just started painting actually, and it's kind of more of like a coping mechanism for me. And yeah, here I am showing you some of the stocks that I have. It's actually PR from the brands that I've worked with. So the second tray is for my books, journals, and what do you call that? Planner, yeah, and my planner. Actually, I just started reading again because for the past few years, I stopped reading because Colleen Hoover really broke my heart. I love this sunset lamp from Shopee. It's only 665 pesos. Yeah, as far as I can remember, it's only 665 pesos, and I don't have a night table, so I just store it there on the second tray. And here I am just showing you the cryo freeze tools from the Aura Studios. Check them out, guys. And yeah, the last tray is for my hair tools. Okay, but I am not a painter, a professional one. No, I'm not. I'm just really enjoying my time whenever I paint something. So I went to buy an easel, a wooden easel from Shopee. It's only 500 pesos. It's adjustable, and also it is very sturdy. So I really like it. And yeah, as you can see, it's very aesthetic as well. I'm very happy with this. And this is what happens when you don't have that much space in your room. And yes, this is how I usually dress every day, so I actually was about to buy the Asahi wooden standing fan, but then I saw this from Shopee. It's so aesthetically pleasing as well, so I bought it right away, and it's only 1,390 pesos when it was payday sale. So yeah, I'm just stacking here my other skincare products, the stocks that I've got from the brands that I've worked with, and this I don't know what to call this organizer. This foldable organizer is actually a low quality one, so I don't suggest you to buy this. But if you want to have an aesthetically pleasing storage box and you don't have that much to store anyways, then just go ahead and buy it. But I'm just gonna warn you that it breaks easily. As you guys can see here, I'm not joking that it breaks easily. This is my latest painting, and I wanted it to hang onto my wall next to my bed. And yeah, I'm just using this nano adhesive tape, double adhesive tape. Actually, it's good for those people who wants to hang something on their wall but doesn't want to damage their paint on the wall. So yeah, this is very affordable as well. It's only 30 pesos. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me redecorate my room, because I definitely enjoyed filming this one. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the way how my room looks like now. It's very spacious and very minimal, which I really like these days. If you also like how my room turned out, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And also, please comment down the things below that you are gonna add to cart on your Shopee account. You can also follow me on my IG and TikTok account. I'm very much active on those two platforms, especially on TikTok, since TikTok is kind of more of like my fashion content. So if you guys want to see more of my content, beauty or fashion, then just please follow me and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!